Welcome to the Sage Doctor tutorial on restoring a local backup in Sage 50. Hi, I'm Alina. I will walk you through this training. Restoring a backup file is a critical feature that you must do in the event of a corrupted file of Sage 50 company file. To restore a file from local company backup file, select File, go to Restore from the menu bar. The Restore wizard opens. Select the backup file you want to restore. Now, click Next. On the next screen, select the company file you wish to overwrite. You can also make a new company file if needed, which you lead to a separation file between the original and the restored file. The next screen will help you check the options that you need to restore. When you are ready to restore the company, click Finish. Remember, restoring a company file is a specialized job and always needs specialists. We at Sage Doctor can help you with your queries regarding the accounting methods. Call us or fill in the form in the description below for any consultancy in the accounting with Sage 50. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such tutorial videos on Sage 50.